Will they do lipstick at the end? Dun, dun, dun. Hey everyone! Welcome to Why Not? Y'all, it's just me today. Tyra did not want to get out. Oh, let me turn this down. Tyra did not want to get out, so I'm out by myself. I'm gonna do some things by myself and I'll show her later in the video. How about that? You don't want to get up, you miss out. I ain't telling what all I was gonna do, but we gonna do it together. How about that? Because it's your pretty lady. I'm wearing my praise and I'm getting out today. I want you to ride with me and hear everything I'm gonna say. Yes, y'all, what if I put another verse to that? I don't think I can do that. I don't think so. But how y'all doing today? Y'all, I found my shades. Yes, I did. So, I'm out this morning. First thing I'm gonna do is go get an oil change, so y'all come with me with that. And I may walk over to, it's not Aldi. I don't know. It's like an Aldi. But I'll show y'all on my walk there. I meant to get my other stand too, and I didn't do that, so I'm gonna have to hold y'all in my hand. But I got it this morning. Didn't want to be embarrassed, so I cleaned out my car some. Got my own. I got my car vacuumed, so I vacuumed that. I should did show y'all that, but y'all, what I did was I got up before I even went in the shower. I put on me something, came out here because I knew it was gonna be hot. I knew I was gonna sweat, so I did my car, and then I went back in and I washed up, did a little something to my face, and then got on the road. So y'all come and go with me. Happy. Will they do lipstick at the end? Dun, dun, dun. Regulate. Inside. Get my oil change in the waiting room. Alright, y'all, my rubber gone out my little stand, my little selfie stick. So this is the waiting room. This is a nice waiting room for different loot. This is the waiting room, but they have another one with concessions. Nice TV. Okay. As soon as they come and talk to me, as soon as they come and talk to me, I'll probably walk over to the little grocery store and take y'all with me so we can see what they have, maybe pick up a couple of things. I know I want to go to Aldi's. Me and my dad love their bananas. So, there we go. They're a little more even, right? So, I think I'm going to do that. I may not be able to use this selfie stick because, like I said, the rubber is gone, so that's why my phone keeps flying out. Left my stand. I was thinking to get it, grab it, and I did not. But, so, we'll be back as we continue on with our day and see what else I'm going to do. Y'all know I don't like to do much because I don't like the heat. I like to save gas, which I have to fill up my tank anyhow for next week. So I'm going to do that today since I'm over here. It's cheaper at the Murphy's. So that's probably where I'm gonna go because I've already used my T-Mobile Tuesdays. Y'all, I'm fogging up as I'm talking to y'all. I've already used my T-Mobile Tuesdays discount, so might as well go to Murphy's, fill it up, maybe get me an icy. I think I'm gonna pick up something to eat, and y'all can eat with me, but I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So, I'm trying to get it set up. As I say, I ain't got my stand. Okay, now this is, what is it? Little. Now, they don't have where if you go to Aldi's, you got to put your little 40 in to get the buggy. No, they don't have it. So, and as y'all see, it's much bigger. I'm going to show y'all in a minute. Alright, there we go. Yeah, see, they have a bakery here. Fresh bakery. That hole is a little bit too big for me. All the fresh fruit. Let me see where the banana fruit. What is it? No, that's cute. What are those? Mango. Oh, that's the mango. Cherries. Oh, y'all, look at the bakery though. Oatmeal, raisin, pretzel bread, pretzels. Wow. Oh, look. Tomato olive. Yeah, I'm trying to turn y'all around. I'm sorry. We got like a tomato olive and focaccia bread. It looks delicious. It looks like a pizza. Wow. Yeah, too bad I couldn't get a watermelon. There's squash and stuff. I really don't have to get that. My uncle has a garden. Look at all the vegetables. You see that? Plantains. Look at this plum. This is a plum. Y'all see that? That's the size of my hand. Okay. Look at that. They have donut peaches. Y'all see this? I'll be scared to eat this. Donut peaches. I can't. Where are the bananas? Let's go. Got cherries. Looks great. Then we got the white fruit. That's great. Here's bananas. get us some bananas. Get these because they eventually turn. So we don't like to start off with them so yellow. Now I'm just gonna look around and see what else they got. Y'all, I was saying I was gonna do the cook-off tonight. I don't know what to get. Cranberry flavored grapefruit juice. They call it sea salt and pepper calamari. Boom boom shrimp. Lots of shrimp. Juices. Notice is, look at the price of their hair shower. Their hair shower is $3 for one. Whereas if you were to go to like Food Lion or Kroger, you can find it for like 2 for $5 or 2 for $4. See what kind of mix we have. Steaks and beef. Y'all heard me? Y'all said steaks and beef. Don't see no lamb. Y'all know I love a good lamb chop. Mr. Cheeses, great variety of cheeses if you want to do a what is that board again? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Charcuterie board. Yeah, that. The chicken, it's all the cheeses, the butters now, the cream cheese. There's so much more to choose from here. That's it. So much more meat. Then we get into the dairy. And look at all the salmon. Eggs. And more chicken. Y'all, I'm really feeling the placement of my camera right now. Oh, look. Got the fans. Oh, the little stepper stool. The pants. Lounge pant. Oh, can car back. I got one of those. down there $2.94 a pound. And they got like the stuff for golf shorts. They got sneakers, flip-flop. Special offer. What's so special? Don't know. What's the little blow-up mattress? Wow. We got the little imitation Crocs for the babies. Oh, look at the little snow boots. Y'all know I'm taking up a whole aisle showing y'all this stuff. But I got the little rugs, nice little dresser. Shower heads, got the little safe. We got the little boards. Wow. Look at this chair, y'all. That's a nice chair. Y'all see it? Wow, that's a nice chair. $79. We got the little grill. $24. Oh, they got the little, what's that, a caddy bag? Oh. Oh, wow. Got the yoga mat. Pillows. Sleeping bags. Oh, they got the gardening stuff. Got the leaf blower. Another grill. Got the lawn chair pillows. Is that a cover for your grill? Wow. Then they got school supplies. And they have like your beef patties. They got the Philly cheesesteak stuff. Now here we go with the pretties. Oh, olives. I don't do olive. Olive paste. Oh, look at the little mini trash can. Isn't that cute? Wow. Back to school stuff. It must be dog food. No, it's not. What's the pasta stuff? Oh, we got stuff up deck box. So much stuff to see. What? Bread maker? What? Y'all, I hate I left my earpiece. Little baby clothes. Drink mixer. $55. Privet. That's what it said. Oh, look at the ice cream. I'm gonna ignore it. I'm gonna ignore it. I do not like these juices. Oh, those are $1. I actually think these are cute. What is this? Oh, drill. soda. Yeah, I should be looking to see if they got ginger in here. What's this? Oh, I got spinach. Pastry with spinach shell. Olive oil. Pierogies. I don't see no plantain. They got pierogies in there. This is Indian food? Chicken masala. Yeah. Chicken burrito. Oh, wow. Butter chicken. Yeah, I'm getting these for Tyra. She loves, turn y'all around. Okay, yeah. Okay, she had like these, the Indian food. So I'm gonna get her these. I told y'all you can't go nowhere without getting something for your children. I think I done stayed in here long enough. Get my little bit of stuff and get out. To get my ice cream because I'm not going back straight back home. I think I would have had ginger in here. I ain't seen no ginger. Maybe because I ain't really looked hard enough. I might be over here on this aisle. Pickled ginger. Nope, not here. Alright, y'all, we're going to check out. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to check out. So I'll see y'all when I get in the car. Alrighty. Alright, y'all. I'm done in there. Y'all, that mask, you don't be wanting to put it on, but you know it's best that you do. So I put my mask on and just sweat a little bit. It'll be okay. I'd rather sweat than be bedridden someplace, you know? So y'all, I'm done with what is this? L-I-D-L. However you say it. I don't know how you say it. So let me figure out how to get out of here. How do you get out of here? You can only go one way. Both ways. That's a shame. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to, y'all saw the things that I picked up there. So I got another run and another stop, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me. All right, shall return. First, I got to get up out of here. Okay. I'm back with you again.
You still got it, the manager. I think her name's like Cherie.
Oh wait. Happy. See where I'm at. Trying the new nuggets. We're gonna see what they working with. How many of y'all tried them so far? Thank you. Oh, a drink. Oh, thank you. Very pleasant. Could have been me, but no, it wasn't very pleasant, in my opinion, you know. So I'm going to sit here. Let's go back in, so I'm going to be in so much sun. Let me see if that mess up my lighting real bad. Yeah, I'll be a little dark. Let me go over here. Okay. In the light, give y'all some light. Okay, guess that's a little bit better. Y'all, I have the air blasted because y'all know me. It doesn't take much for me to sweat. So I've been sweating up some. We get my hand sanitizer. I had it on top here. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I got the sweet heat sauce. Okay, I got fries that they threw in the bag, but I got fries. Okay. Let me get it situated here. Yeah, I promise you everything in the bag. Let's go ahead and say grace. I'm gonna eat a couple of fries as I pack them up. Lord, we want to thank you for the food that we're about to receive. Help it to nourish our bodies. In these words we ask in your son Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Alright, I'll cut it down a little bit. Oh no, not too much. Okay, let me get these out. Y'all, they're literally in the bag. There's a bag full of fries. Okay, I only got the 8 count. They're lightly breaded, I see. Y'all can't see because of the sun. Let me do that. There we go. Now y'all can't see because of the sun. But here we go. Popeyes. Okay. Alright. Let me get these situated. Yeah, they're real delicate. As if that's okay to say. They're real delicate. You know how like how clam feels when it's fried? That's kind of like what it feels like. Like it's lightly cooked. Okay. Here's the first one. Now see? Okay, let's taste it with the sauce. Probably should do that sauce. The sauce tastes a little Asian like. For Chinese food. Maybe if they had put some of their seasoning, you know how they season their chicken? Because actually they're not bad, it's just that it's like they're just fried with no kind of seasoning. But I like the texture. It's not a hard texture. You gotta kind of like break your, that up, you know, cut your gum or whatever. But I think it's pretty good. The texture to me is pretty good. Now see, the seasoning on the fries kind of cut the heat in this sauce. You know, I had to get myself. The sweet heat sauce, yeah. It cuts the heat in that. Whereas with the chicken, if you're just eating the chicken with it, the main thing you're gonna taste is the sauce. You don't have anything to like cut the taste with it. But because it's a good flavor, I think it pairs well. Y'all see, it's real chicken. I'm gonna hide it, the color. Real chicken. What appears to look like real chicken. Let me see that. Don't know. Because you know, make vegetarian food look real all the time. A burger's not a burger. So I'm gonna leave from here. Then we're gonna get some gas. And I guess I picked Tyra up an acai bowl, I guess. Even though she ain't come, you're supposed to eat while you're out. It's not bad at all. But you can actually get them in a platter with two sides. I think maybe they could have fried it a little bit harder. I mean, you got a crunch, but it's sort of like, if you've had fried clams, and you see how delicate the clams are, even though it's breaded, and the breading around the clam still got a little bite to it. However, it's not a solid bite, in my opinion. If y'all can understand that from that analogy. Woo! Drinking Coke. But the fries are on point. My bag of fries. Do y'all eat fries one by one? Or y'all put them together? But y'all, I'm gonna not eat all of these. I'm gonna take them so Tyra can taste some of them too. So I'm eating my 4. So I leave her 4. How about that? So if you haven't gone out to try the Popeyes chicken nuggets, if I have to compare these to Chick-fil-A, they have a crunch. Chick-fil-A doesn't have that. All of their textures meld together, but it's a good season on it to me. Whereas this one is just basically fried. Now I don't know if it's like that at all of the Popeyes, but here it's just like, it's just fried. But I'm not complaining about the fry. I like the little crunch because it doesn't tear up your gum. Now you know how I am with that. Sometimes they put too much of stuff on it and then it tear up your gums. But y'all, come and ride with me. Forget my gas. I'm back with you again.
You still got it. The manager. I think her name's like Cherie.
Oh, wait. Happy. Alright, y'all. I'm done with gas. Tyra did not want. Tyra does not want an acai bowl. So I'm just gonna head on home. How about that? So y'all come and take that ride with me. I'm back with you again.
You still got it. The manager. I think her name's like Cherie.
Oh, wait. Happy. Will they do lipstick at the end? Dun, dun, dun. Regularly, I'm back with you again.
You still got it. The manager. I think her name's like Cherie.
Oh, wait. Happy. All right, everyone. I'm back home. About to head in, take in a little bit of stuff I bought. And I shall see y'all. Well, I'm looking over here. And I shall see y'all later. Why not? Get out, run a couple of errands, do a little shopping, and enjoy yourself. Love y'all. Will they do lipstick at the end? Dun, dun, dun.